I know it's not Halloween anymore, but you gotta come to live with us.
My sister again.
My brother, he likes to sing little kid songs.
My sister likes singing little kid songs. I wanted to sing Locked Up.
Rub-a-dub-dub.
I wanted to sing Locked Up, but she wanted to sing little kid song for the little kids. I think that's nice.
Okay, a previous song that we sung was Rub-a-dub-dub in the Tub. Don't let your kids listen to that. That song is gay.
Three
men in the tub, a butcher, a baker, and a candlestick maker. What? These people are so
stupid.
Gay. They need help.
Yeah,
Do
serious.
not ever, if you get Comcast, make sure
your kids know
you
sing that.
Watch it, listen to it before they listen to it, because that song is
Gay.
gay.
G-A-Y. Gay.
Like, seriously, like, okay. Peace out. Love y'all.
Peace.
Even my haters.